This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Align Right Realty. Welcome home to this adorable 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in the highly desirable neighborhood of Triple Creek. This home offers plenty of space for the family and an open floor plan ideal for entertaining. The kitchen features granite countertops, espresso wood cabinetry, stylish honeycomb backsplash and stainless steel appliances. The massive owner's suite is tucked away in the rear of the home for your utmost privacy and includes an ensuite bathroom with an oversized shower, separate commode, and large walk-in closet. Noteworthy features of this home that set it apart from the others include trendy, wood-look ceramic tiles throughout the home, epoxy garage flooring and overhead shelving for storage, an extended paver patio for relaxing summer evenings and barbecues, gutters and a French drainage system, screened in front and rear porches, and a white vinyl fence for privacy. Triple Creek is a well-sought-after, resort-like community in Riverview, offering residents 2 community pools, a splash pad, 2 clubhouses, 2 fitness centers, playgrounds, tennis and basketball courts, walking trails and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Align Right Realty at 813-480-5169.